Here's how I carry all of my fly tying materials. So there's my vise, sits on top. This is in a Plano tackle box my grandpa gave me. Have an assortment of dubbings, assortment of beads, mostly tungsten stuff. Next to that, I have a bunch of hooks ready to go. Tons of stuff there. I mean, just shitloads. Then next to all that stuff, I have some tools and resins and nail polish stuff like that. I have a UV light. I have a bunch of dubbing containers, as you can see right here. And then I took two of the drawers out, but that drawer has all my spools, some markers, foam cutters, hackle pliers, razors, that kind of thing. This one under it has like poly yarn and rubber legs, some other tools. In this accordion binder folder thing, I keep there's some foam, there's a bunch of flash material, a bunch of smaller stuff, biots, feathers, hackles, capes, necks, fucking all that sort of good stuff. Full partridge. And then under that, I have some foam for big dry flies, and then under that, I have a bunch of old wet fly hooks. So that's how I keep everything together and take with me.